Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add the Grammarly extension in Chrome. This is a fantastic tool that helps you write better by catching grammar mistakes, improving clarity, and even offering style suggestions as you type across websites, emails, and documents. Let's jump right in. Start by opening a browser window and head to www.grammarly.com. If you haven't already signed into your account, now's the time to do so. Simply enter your login credentials and click Sign In. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Grammarly dashboard. This is where all your documents are stored and where you can manage your writing projects. You might see some of your saved documents already loading up on the screen. Now, once you've successfully signed in and your documents are visible, we're ready to add the Grammarly extension to Chrome. To do this, simply open a new browser tab. In the address bar, head to chromewebstore.google.com. This is Google's official store for all Chrome extensions and apps. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, you'll see a search bar at the top left of the page. Click on it and type in Grammarly. From the results that appear, you'll want to click on the one labeled Grammarly AI Writing Assistant and Grammar Checker app. This is the official extension developed by Grammarly. Clicking on it will direct you to the app overview page where you can see details about the extension, user reviews, and what permissions it requires. Take a moment to review this if you'd like, but when you're ready, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it to proceed with the installation. A confirmation window will pop up, asking you to confirm that you want to add this extension to your browser. This window shows you what permissions the extension needs to function properly. Simply click on Add Extension, and Chrome will automatically download and install Grammarly for you. The installation usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's complete, you'll see the Grammarly icon appear in the top right corner of your browser next to the address bar. This icon indicates that the extension is now active and ready to help you write better across all your web-based platforms. And that's it. You've successfully added the Grammarly extension to Chrome, and now you can enjoy real-time writing assistance wherever you type online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.